Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a weather widget to your Android phone. To start, press the home button once to get the main screen. Now hold down any empty space in your phone. Press widgets. Find weather. The weather option in your phone. It's right here. Press once. You will see many styles, many options. Weather and clock, weather forecast. So I'm gonna go with the dynamic weather. Press once. Once you press, you will see add. Press add and you're done. You will get the widget in your phone screen. So if you don't get the right city or the right region in the widget, you can change it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. You just hold down the widget for 2 seconds. You will get this menu. Press settings. In settings, press change the city. Press the plus sign. Let's enter another city. Washington, DC. It's right here. Select the city and tap save. Don't forget to save. You will see the weather for Washington, DC. You can always change the city to another one if you're moving or traveling. And if you want to remove the widget because you don't need it anymore, you just hold down again the widget and tap remove. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.